Hey guys, today I'm going to show you to get a mod survivor.io. So as you can see guys, it says survivor.io mod, get unlimited gems and gold for free. And then it says all upgrades instantly. So all we have to do guys is press this toggle and there we go. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let me just do it right here. And as you can see, it says all gems and gold becoming free and bam. So if you want to download this onto your device guys, go to the Zoo Mods. Once you're on this site guys, go to the search bar and type in survivor. As you can see, it says survivor.io mod. Press on that. You're good, guys. So be sure to try it out. It's super insane. This totally works, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. But yeah, I'm not really seeing any way to get money in survivor.io. So as you can see, if I type it in, just do it right here. Go to in-app purchases. Nah, bro. Look how much it costs. Oh my gosh. I'm not paying for that. So be sure to try it out for yourself because this is fully working, guys. Super cool. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, get the word out, bro. This is super cool. So yeah, it's updated and all that. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. It is totally working and everything. So yeah, enjoy it. I have looked into some other mods to be honest with you, but they don't actually work. So be sure to try it out for yourself because this is super insane, totally updated, and you can be a millionaire basically. I mean, I've looked into other mods as I said, but now everything is free for me, so that's why I like it. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super insane, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, get the word out, and peace out, gang.